guys! Welcome back to my channel! It's your madam! Oh my God, it's been a while na hindi ko na nagagawa ang intro na yan. But today, it's another vlog because I'm selling my house. A lot of you have been asking me, Madam, bakit mo naman binibenta ang bahay mo? Nakakaloka! I'm not selling my house, guys. I'm selling this house instead. And of course, after the restaurant life, kasi usually, morning until the opening of the restaurant, hanggang mga around 3 or 4, nandun ako. Then after which, I leave the restaurant kay Baby Boy Harold na. And then I focus on my real estate business. So this is Minami Residences. This is not my house, but I hope soon to be, or soon, that I can also buy a house like this for myself kasi napakaganda niya, guys. And yes, I'm taking this opportunity to show you, my followers dito sa YouTube, yung house na ito and of course the location. Napakaganda. Alam nyo ba na yung location ng property na to na binibenta ko is nasa tawid lang ng ginagawang SM General Trias dito. Oh my God. Walking distance from SM. And can you imagine, for only 4.1 million pesos, may bahay ka ng ganito. At naka-promo pa siya ngayon, guys. 25,000 pesos per month lang for 24 months ang kailangan nyong ibayad para makuha nyo ang house na ito. So, ayan. So, let's go inside later. Paglabas lang nila kasi may mga tao pa sa loob. So, later, let's go inside the house so that you can appreciate it more. I'll tell you more about the house mamaya. Kaya sabay-sabay natin pasukin. Let's go. So, ayan. Solong-solo na natin. Pasok na tayo. Dadalhin ko itong tripod ko. Kasi alam mo naman, vlogger life. So, let's go inside the house. This is Minami Residences and this unit is called the Hana unit. Pasukin na natin, guys. Ang ganda. Actually, gusto kong pumasok dito kasi malamig. Ang lakas ng aircon na yan. Bonggang-bongga talaga. So, we are inside Minami Residences and this is actually the house that I am selling. And not my house. Huwag niyo pong i-inquire yung bahay ko kung magkano. Kasi hindi ko po binibenta ang bahay ko. But this one, I am selling this. So, let's go. Ito na, pasok. Alam niyo na yung expect nyo. Montage, pasok!
I woke up feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. Coursing throughout my veins, I don't want it to stop. I feel invincible in every way. I'ma give it all I got. It may not be my birthday, but I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's nothing like feeling alive. There's nothing like feeling alive. I just want to celebrate.
This house has a lot area of 80 square meters and floor area of 54 square meters. And don't you worry kasi nga, pag na-turn over na sa inyo itong bahay, you can renovate it. You can expand it. And of course, this has a 2-port car garage It can fit 2 cars already. It is an ample space for a 6-seater dining area. If you want to extend it and make it 8-seater, by all means, do it. And of course, you already have a living room, perfect for a starting family or even a growing family with 3 kids, for example. Syempre, ang bedrooms natin sa taas, we have 3 bedrooms. And don't you worry, because pwede din yung i-renovate yung bedrooms eh. Kung gusto nyo gawing 2 bedrooms lang so that the other bedroom is more malapad. Diba? Pwede nyo pong gawin yan dito sa ating Hana unit at Minami Residences. At again, you are paying for the value of the property here. You're actually investing in something that will grow with you and definitely will grow with you kasi nga naman, the location of Minami Residences ay nasa tawid lang halos ng SM General Trias, the biggest SM in Calabarzon. O diba? Who is not getting excited? Siyempre lahat tayo excited if you just live across SM, no? And also we have Ayala Malls here. Aside from that, a lot of you may be wondering kung flood-free ba ang ating Minami Residences. My God! I think I have an upload already on my TikTok and on my Facebook page showing you the community, the surrounding areas of Minami Residences, and basically, the surrounding areas of General Trias, Cavite. In-upload ko yon sa kasagsagan ng Bagyong Enteng, and I showed everyone that our city is indeed flood-free. Wala talagang baha, guys. Kahit sa gutter, hindi binabaha dito sa Minami Residences. And lahat ng roads going to Minami Residences. Alam nyo ba, may sarili kaming mga Save More dito. May sarili kaming SNR. May sarili kaming Shopwise. May sarili kaming mga palengke. Sa amin lahat yon. Yes, ganun tayo kayaman, guys. Lalo-lalo na yung mga security guards dito, 24/7. May roving guards pa. Ikaw na lang talaga may iinis sa sobrang strict ng mga gwardya. Lagi ko ang kaaway. But then more than anything, yun nga yung masaya because this place is really secured and may mga 24/7 security guards tayo going around Minami Residences and also Lancaster. May kanya-kanya tayong set of guards para ma-maintain ang peace and order in our village. Kung kaya naman, if you wanna know more about this property and how to acquire it, pwede nyo po akong i-message. I'll put my details in the description box. That's where you can message me. I'll also put my FB page there. Kasi doon ko po isi-send sa inyo lahat ng sample computation. But to give you an overview, sobrang dali lang po. In order for you to acquire a unit here sa Minami Residences, all you need to do is to settle the 25,000 pesos reservation fee. And don't you worry guys, kasi yung reservation fee na yon, ibabawas pa rin yon sa inyong down payment. Sa ibang developer kasi when they say reservation fee lang talaga. But dito po sa atin, when you pay your reservation fee, ibabawas po yan sa net down payment na inyong babayaran. And naka-promo po tayo ngayon for 24 months. Meron po tayong promo na 25,000 pesos only sa loob po ng 24 months ang inyong babayaran. And then after that, syempre, mata-turn over na sa inyo ang inyong mga bahay. At kung magtataka kayo, bakit ang mura? 24 months, 25,000 pesos. Yun po ay ang down payment lang. Kami na din po ang magpa-process ng inyong bank loans. Kami na po magpapa-approve sa inyo. All we need from you, of course, is to comply with the documentary requirements. So, hihingin namin yun sa inyo. And very basic lang po, para lang po kayo nag-a-apply ng linya ng telepono sa Smart and Globe or nag-a-apply ng credit card. Yun lang po, same requirements na po ang hihingin namin sa inyo. As a matter of fact, for those who are still not satisfied sa 25,000 pesos a month, meron kaming bagong payment scheme where you will only pay 9,000 pesos per month. Pero on the 8th month, on the 16th month, and the 24th month, meron po kayong lump sum na 130,000 pesos na babayaran. Around that. But, again, ang kagandahan nito, from month 1 to month 7, ang babayaran nyo lang is 9,000 pesos. Then 8th month, yung lump sum na 130, around that figure. And then yung month, 9 to month 15, again, 9,000 pesos ulit. And then on your month 16, or the 16th month, yun po yung lump sum ulit na 130. And then 17 to 23, of course, yung 9,000 again, and your final down payment na lump sum ulit na around 130,000 pesos. Kumbaga, so matotal, mabubuo nyo pa rin yung 600,000 pesos na down payment. But then, we made it easier for you guys kasi alam naman natin, sometimes naintindihan natin na hindi naman sabay-sabay pumapasok ang funds. So, mas magaan at mas madaling bayaran ang 9,000 pesos compared naman sa 25,000 pesos a month. Only for those who wants to do it that way, kung ganun yung payment scheme na gusto nyong i-avail. But then, for those na may mga budget, may mga talagang may pera naman sa bulsa, I want that, yung ganun drama, I want that, get me that house, that's mine, buy me that. What's installment? Di ba? Yung mga ganun naman may pera naman sa bulsa, you can buy this unit for 4.1 million total contract price, but kung cash payer ka nga, you get 10% discount. So, ang bahay na lang, ang value na lang, would play around 3.6 to 3.7 million. Ayaw mo pa sa 10% discount. And for others naman na medyo may cash lang, hindi naman ganun kadami, but medyo may cash lang, you can also pay this, yung down payment for 600,000 in full, you pay it in full, and you get 7.5% discount. O di ba kung ayaw nyo namang i-installment yung down payment, gusto nyo talagang cash na agad, 7.5% discount yun. So you only pay around 550,000 na down payment. You save more or less mga 50 mil rin. O, ayaw pa. Bumili na kayo guys dahil mabilis tong maubos ang Minami Residences, yung Hana unit natin particularly, this unit. And now, I will show you the turnover unit. This is kasi the dressed up unit. Pero ano ba yung tsura ng units ninyo kapag na-turnover na sa inyo? Yung parang pinaka-basic setup niya. I'll show it to you now, so let's go there. So this is Minami Residence Hana unit upon turnover. Pasukin na natin para makita nyo yung loob. So upon turnover, your Hana unit at Minami Residences, which is a total floor area of 54 square meters and lot area of 80 square meters, will already come with a steel door. So naka-steel door na yan. Metal yan guys. And then, naka-double lock. Oh. Upon entering, you will be greeted with your living room. Ayan, ito yung living room nyo. This is your space for the living room and you can put your dining again there. Diyan po yung dining area niya, pwede nyong paglagyan. And of course, you have a sliding door. This will be your door access to your parking garage. Ayan, this is a two-port car garage. Ayan, hanapin natin yung muhon. So, yung lupa nyo po hanggang dito pa. Ayan po yung muhon. Ito. So, ganyan pa po kalapad ang lupa nyo dito outside. Up to there. So, yan po ang unit ninyo upon turnover. The floor is glossy, smoothened, livable na po siya. Kayo na po bahala magpa-tiles, kayo na po bahala kung lalagyan nyo ng vinyl. Depende na po sa inyo. And of course, the walls are painted finish. So, pinturado na po to. If you want to change the color of the wall, kayo na po bahala. The stairs, naka-default. Doon po sa dress-up unit, kung napansin nyo, ito po ay naka-glass. This one naka-metal railing lang. But then if you want to change this into glass, pwedeng-pwede naman. And then your kitchen is here. Meron na po kayong sink. Then provision for your stove and your ref. Depende na po sa inyo if you want to renovate this. Pero kung wala pang budget, as is na po ito. And then in this area, naka-steel door din yung service area ninyo where you do your laundry. Ayan. Hanggang dun po siya sa dulo ng inyong bahay. Hanggang doon. Ganyan. You can also extend your kitchen if you want to. You can have this renovated, extend nyo po yung kitchen nyo para mas malapad-lapad if you want a bigger kitchen. And of course, yung toilet and bath nyo po, naka-tiles na, as you can see, as is po to as delivered. Meron na po siyang shower head, water closet, and your lavatory here. Naka-tiles na po yan, and there's also already a PVC door installed. Yan. So this is the ground floor. Let's go upstairs para na makita nyo. Upon turnover. Second floor, same. Yung floor is already smoothened and glossy finished. Your bedrooms will already have doors. This is bedroom number 1. And nakaganito na din po yung windows. Ayan. So, naka-awning type na yung window. Chrome finish. Then the master bedroom. Oh, ganda ng window nito. Love na love ko to kasi parang naka 180 ba to pag hindi full. Degree siya. As is po to. Glass panels. And then chrome finish. Ang ganda ng view. Diba? Ganda. The third bedroom is here. Same na din po ang finish. And naka-window na din siya. Awning window, chrome finish. Toilet and bath, the same. Naka-tiles na po. May faucet na, water closet, and sink. So ayun guys, no, I hope you enjoyed our house tour dito sa Minami Residences. And of course, I hope you enjoyed viewing our Hana unit. O diba, virtual viewing na. But again, you can still go here if you want to check out the units. Pwede nyo pong bisitahin yan. Not to worry, kasi for those who are living in Metro Manila or around Cavite or Laguna, we have free shuttle service po. Pwede po namin kayong ipasundo. Pwede din po namin kayong ihatid after our viewing if you just want to check out the actual units for yourself. So this is the model house. Again, yung pinasok namin kanina yung dressed up and then the unit upon turnover. So if you have more questions about this is located at Barangay Santiago, General Trias, Cavite. But our model houses, yung model units natin, nandito lang po siya sa Lancaster sa Imus, dito po sa sales office. Kung gusto nyo pong i-check out ito and you want to avail of our free shuttle service, just message me. Again, my contact details are in the description box below. Thank you for watching and I hope that we will be neighbors soon. Yes po, dito po ako nakatira. That's why I'm selling also properties here kasi alam kong hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo because this is definitely the best decision when it comes to investment na nagawa ko, purchasing a house here sa General Trias, Cavite. So again, Minami Residences, the Hana unit. See you here soon. I hope to see you soon. Tapos kain na din kayo sa Japgyupsal sa restaurant namin. Promise yan ha. Kita-kits ha. Sisingilin kita. Bye na. Bye.